The beginning of the thunderstorm. New light. That is the new light. Someone is walking in the thunderstorm. Oh my gosh. Walking in the thunderstorm. So funny. Whoa. So you see it's coming till the door. So I don't think it's safe anymore for me to stand. Look at there. The flood is coming. I'll try keeping my leg. No, it's too wet. I'll fall. Okay. So you can hear the sounds maybe now. Show myself. It's me, Aditya. Welcome back to Aditya's talent show. So it started. The rain has started. It's a thunderstorm, yellow alert today. So it's really raining a lot. Show you again. Look at that. I wish hailstones were falling now. I could catch one. And I've heard somewhere in some fun fact that if you catch the hailstone and swallow it, it's good for you, it seems. I did not believe that, but it was in many places. So you also check. If you want to do it, you can do it. Although I have never tried, because whenever it falls, I'll be inside. It will be too loud rain. Whoa! See, it's near the door, literally. Come, let's step here. Ooh, so cold. It's ice cold. So nothing happened to the camera. Guys, it's raining. No one is outside, only I'm standing outside. My friend was standing with me, but now it's too loud rain, so he went inside. I am in a safe place, so I can stand. So these are the plants in our house, so they are getting water. Okay. Guys, look at that. All these drops. Whoa, I can see the thunder. Okay, so it's not safe for me to stay here outside yet, so bye bye.